With the opportunity to expand the time of independence, the tourism industry is developing and the necessary infrastructure is being progressed, including the construction and operation of the hotels of different levels is an example of this. Hello dear viewers, this is the program of the hotel, and today we have come to visit the Safo Hotel and let's get to know the conditions and prices of this hotel.
Safo Hotel Dushanbe was opened on August 20th in 2021 by the initiative of the founder of peace and national unity, the leader of the nation, Honorable Emomali Rahmon. The four-star hotel in a modern style and taking into account the art of national architecture was built and commissioned by domestic businessmen in honor of the 30th anniversary of the state independence and within the framework of the Declaration of Years of Rural Development, Tourism and Folkcrafts. The magnificent views of the Safo Dushanbe Hotel gives beauty to this corner of the capital of Tajikistan.
Dear viewers, the four-star Safo Hotel can serve 135 guests per day. Now we will go to the deluxe room of this hotel, which is designed for 2 people. Let's go! Dear viewers, as I told you in the previous programs, and I now remind you that every guest who enters this hotel will be the owner of such card that will enter every room with this card. Now we enter the deluxe room of this hotel, which is 25 square meters. What we can see in this room? On the left, there is a separate room for having wash, and here is a closet that can be used by guests. What is in this closet? This kind of slippers and this kind of white that the guest can use every time he or she enters. There are 2 beds, armchairs on the left side that the guests sit here and do their daily work. And on the left side there are a table and a chair where the guests can put their notebook and get their preparation for work and meetings. At the same time, each room has a plasma TV, and every who orders from this room into the service website of this room by using Wi-Fi, mobile internet, breakfast and luggage storage is also included in the service of this room.
We remind you that Safo Hotel has 87 rooms, including 16 standard rooms, 32 one-luxury rooms, 32 deluxe rooms, 6 apartments, and 1 presidential room.
Dear viewers, we should remind one more thing that on every floor of this hotel, the historical places of our dear country are drawn on the walls, which are very beautiful and interesting, and every tourist who comes here must see this beauty.
This hotel was built with its own charm and style and its decoration. Most of the people's crafts were used in a modern way. The founder of peace and national unity, the leader of the nation, Honorable Emomali Rahmon, also in one of his speeches emphasized that behind every architectural masterpiece is a history, customs, and culture of that nation. Also, the modern buildings has a meeting hall for 20 people, a restaurant for 80 people. Each hotel room is equipped with all the necessary accessories, wardrobes, armchairs, lanterns, beautiful candles, modern television, comfortable sofas, etc. A standard room for one person is 720 samani, a deluxe room is 1400 samani, a luxury room is 1,700 samani, and a presidential room is 15,000 samani.
Dear viewers, we are currently on the 12th floor on the Safo Hotel, and now we are entering one of the most magnificent and beautiful rooms, which is called the President's Room. Let's go! Dear viewers, we entered the President's Room, and this room is 600 square meters. And now we are going to see from the inside of the room what things does the room contain. The room is very spacious, beautiful, and as you can see, the room is equipped with all modern and standard equipment. And those people who designed this presidential room are decorated with a special delicacy. And look at how much each of these pillows is decorated with a delicacy and beauty. And I would like to thank those who prepared this room. The atmosphere of the room is very freshness.
Each square meters of the presence room is prepared with a unique decoration. The spread halls, entrance, floor and ceiling, which are very beautifully and delicately decorated, are an example of the art of the Tajik nation. The atmosphere of the hotel is very pleasant. On this floor, it is possible to hold official banquets at the level of high-ranking representatives of foreign countries and international organizations, and a high level of service is provided for the relaxation of guests.
Dear viewers, we would like to remind one more thing, that more than 30 employees are provided with permanent jobs in this hotel that are regularly at the service of domestic and foreign tourists.
It's said that one who maintains cleanliness keeps away diseases. Safo Hotel also regularly keeps the cleanliness and comfort of its guests. Hotel cleaners try to perform their work with excellent quality every day. Before placing the guests in the desired room, they tidy the bedroom, clean it, change the washing supplies, clean the dust and fresh the air inside the room. The air temperature is normal in each room, not so hot and not so cold. The temperature in all rooms is 25 degrees. The corridor, elevator, terrace of the hotel, as well as the rooms and other facilities of the hotel are designed and decorated in the national style, taking into account the modern requirements.
With the development of science and technology, booking a room in this or that hotel has become very easy and convenient. If you are traveling to some countries, you can use from the hotel's website and book a room from there. We only offer the hotel and the choice is yours. We have reached to the end of the hotel program and we wish you be happiness and healthiness till the